everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Cajun stuffed bell peppers injected with so many different flavors. So good. And if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do have a second channel here on YouTube, you guys, and it's called April Time. So if you can head on over there and subscribe and support it, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 4 bell peppers, 2 red and 2 green, but you can choose whatever bell peppers that you like. And now I'm just going to split them in half and I'm going to hollow them out and take all the seeds out of them. And now I'm just going to place them all in a baking dish, and I'm just going to take some olive oil and brush it on top of each bell pepper. And before I put them in the oven, I'm going to season them real good with some sea salt and some black pepper. And I've already preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and they're going to go for 30 minutes. And while that's baking off, I'm going to go ahead and chop and mince a half an onion. And I'm going to go ahead and chop and mince 1 celery stalk. And I love andouille smoked sausage. I think it's going to go really well with this recipe. And instead of using the entire sausage, I'm just going to cut it in half and chop it up really good. And off camera, I went ahead and I cleaned and deveined a cup of raw shrimp, and I'm just going to take a knife and give it a rough chop. Okay, so let's go over to the stove and start making the stuffing for the bell peppers. Over medium heat, I'm going to warm up some olive oil and I'm going to cook and brown up the andouille sausage. So after 3 minutes of browning up the sausage, I'm going to go ahead and add in the shrimp, and you want to continue to saute until the shrimp turns pink. And once the shrimp turns pink, because you don't want to overcook it, you want to take this mixture, just put it in a bowl and set it to the side. And in that same pan, I'm going to warm up a little bit more olive oil, and I'm going to saute the onions as well as the celery. And off camera, I went ahead and I chopped half a cup of bell peppers, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the mixture as well. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic and add a 10-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes. Time to add some more flavor, like a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper, and I'm also going to add some dashes of hot sauce. And just continue to mix until everything is combined really well. So now it's time to add back in the andouille sausage and the shrimp, and off camera I went ahead and I made some cooked rice, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a cup and a half of rice to the mixture and just continue to mix until everything is coated and ready to go. And this is a good time to give it a good taste test. If everything is perfect, let's go ahead and start stuffing the bell peppers. Okay, so after 30 minutes, my bell peppers are roasted, and now I'm just going to take the rice mixture and stuff each bell pepper, and you can add as much stuffing as you like. And at the very end, I'm going to top each bell pepper with some shredded pepper jack cheese. And now I'm just going to put it back in the oven and let it bake off for another 15 minutes. Hey guys, welcome to April Time, my new channel here on YouTube, and this is just my cozy corner of all things lifestyle. So join me as I share my love of simple everyday joys, from whipping up delicious home-cooked meals to my favorite skincare rituals that keeps me glowing. And the reason for this channel is just to share some productive days in my life and some really quick simple recipes. So hit subscribe and let's spend time together. So after 15 minutes in the oven, if you're ready to sink your teeth into a roasted stuffed bell pepper with a jambalaya twist, you have to make this recipe. It is so easy to make, it is super delicious, and it's perfect for any day of the week. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and it will help my channel out a whole lot. Share it with everybody you know, and don't forget to follow my new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time, and if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.